Kuringana na urugamiriri wa thibitari udumwe na University ya Aga Khan, namba nene ya andu aria magumiirwo ni murimu wa meciria matikoragwo na utauku wa murimu ucio na mamenyaga ni arwaru riria mekinyia thibitari kwamukira motungata matiganite. Wagi wa mathomo makinyaniru megie mathina ma meciria ni mamwe ma maria makuruanitio na kuongerereka kwa namba ya aria mari na thina uyu. Urugamiriri wa thibitari uyu ukiuria muingi gwikinyagia thibitari riria mekuwa kuri na mogaruruku miri-ini yao.
Mental illness is at the top of the list. We don't want to be winning that competition, but really it shows you how important it is, and we have been not addressing the issues in the past because of the stigma.
Muingi ona gukiri uguo ni uritio gwitikagira kweiturura maundu maria mangikorwo maragerera ithenya-ini ria gukira namo. Urugamiriri wa Aga Khan ukiuga namba nene igumagirwo ni thina uyu kumana na kwaga kwiyaria.
But I think the more you talk about it, it becomes more comfortable. People understanding it. My own people, there's some people who, when I said I have depression, they were like, so you just make yourself happy. But that's not what it's about. It's really more about what are we doing.
Karibu nusu ya watu ambao wanakuja hospitalini kwa sababu yoyote isipokuwa ugonjwa wa akili, nusu ya watu hao wako na ugonjwa ambao tunaita depression.
Hamwe noguo mendekithitie thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kuiga keheri kigina makiria gia guteithiriria kuheana mathomo megie thina uyu o undu umwe na kurigita andu aria magumiirwo niguo.
So we're moving slowly forward on that. We're also giving courses, for example, on how to become resilient, how to deal with day-to-day stressors that we face at work, at home, and in the community.
Kila kituo cha afya cha umma ni kituo cha afya ya akili.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.